aha moments come in two different, if you like, guises. One is that people see how many pieces of work are actually in flight and not get done. So people are busy, overburdened, tired, exhausted, working long hours, but not much comes out. That's one of the key things that people realize. And this is the leadership that sort of sees this, because as individuals, people feel like if I'm not busy, therefore I am at risk. I must be busy. Therefore, we keep starting new piece of work. But if you come in as somebody in a leadership role and you realize that, yes, you're putting a lot of stress on the people and the system of work, but actually you're not getting anything out, you have to think again to say, okay, how can we change this system of work and be better? So that's one of the aha moments. The other aha moment that happens typically every time we run this, and we've run many, many of these exercises, is that not a single person will have an end-to-end view of how work flows through the system. So typically a person knows one to the left, one to the right, and as it gets further away from them, the understanding is weaker and weaker and abstracted. They have a simplified, if you like, idealized view of how the work flows through the system. And that's another key aha moment where they realize, wow, these are the things. So many times we've done this when we go through these things and we say, okay, that's the flow, these are the steps. What are the things that could go wrong? And typically we use a red pen. And when you look at this map that could be across a wall, you see so much red. And you can see, oh, wow, this is what we didn't know. So these are the things that could go wrong. And this is why the system is so overloaded, so stressed, and so little comes out.